Sam Altman is back as CEO for OpenAI. The board of directors are all now removed. There's a new request for a new board of directors for OpenAI, and the previous CEO of Twitch has now been removed as the previous CEO of OpenAI. I don't know if you guys heard the news. Again, the past couple of days has been a complete roller coaster for OpenAI, to the point where nearly 700 or over 700 of the employees for OpenAI, I think they have a total of 770 employees. 90 to 95% of the employees for OpenAI threatened to leave OpenAI and to go work with Microsoft and join Sam Altman, who was fired on Friday, that joined Microsoft, if the board of directors were not removed. Now, what happened? Why did this arise out of nowhere, right? A lot of you guys must have heard, right? OpenAI, famously known for their chat GPT, their previous or former founder and CEO is a guy named Sam Altman. It's pretty much the boy that everyone was investing into, especially Microsoft. They love Sam Altman. That was their guy, right? They invested billions of dollars into chat GPT, and Sam Altman is a huge reason for that. So when he was fired on Friday, it surprised everyone, to the point where Microsoft offered to hire Sam Altman and for Sam Altman to now lead artificial intelligence development for Microsoft. Great. OpenAI ended up hiring the former CEO of Twitch, and he was only the CEO for about 30 hours. Then the board of directors ended up having to rehire Sam Altman, and now the previous board of directors were all removed. The board of directors fired originally Sam Altman because supposedly there was forms of inconsistency with his communication, and or they called him a liar in one of the articles that I read. Altogether, I would say the biggest game changer on what happened is he was fired on Friday. They hired their new CEO. Great. Microsoft brought on Sam Altman. This really upset a lot of people for OpenAI. The big game changer is when 700 of their 770 employees threatened to leave OpenAI. Imagine that. I feel like that says a lot about Sam Altman, or at least the people that work for him, in their belief to follow Sam Altman to Microsoft, right? Microsoft is an absolute boss throughout this entire move. They're one of the largest investors for OpenAI, but they're kind of double dipping because they went ahead and hired him. And then they also sent out an open kind of apply here to every previous employee for OpenAI and said, hey, if you want to come join your boy Sam, we'll offer you guys all jobs. To the point where, again, this threat ended up coming out where 700 employees threatened to leave OpenAI, which led then the board of directors to pretty much all be removed. A new board of directors are about to be announced, and Sam Altman is back as CEO. So hopefully this can put the focus back on what Sam Altman has always tried to do, and it's continued to try to innovate and work on their software for chat GPT. So just wanted to make sure that you guys had some clarity and having a little bit of a better understanding of what was going on for the past few days. I know a lot of people were very confused, especially with the influence that it had to the overall price action of Microsoft stock. It's still something that I'm watching very closely. I would love to keep you guys up to date. And again, if you guys want to stay up to date, then all I literally ask you to do is to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't done so already. Also, I do trade live every morning, obviously not tomorrow because the market's closed, but I will be trading live on Friday. And if you want to join me, it's going to be the second link in the description down below. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.